fam. So I am in New Orleans for my bachelorette party, and I'm just gonna do like a really quick house tour. Let me show you guys the house. Oh, girl, you good? Yes. So this is the living room area. Y'all can talk. Just be natural. Be natural. Like, what is this, like a pantry? Looks like a second bath. Half bath. That's what I mean. Half bath. And look at my beautiful bridesmaids. Hey! All in the beautiful kitchen.
Don't be recording me with this one.
I got one bedroom. Oh, this is a nice big closet. Oh my goodness. I don't see the light. But this is a big closet. And I got a safe in it, laundry basket, nice mirror, TV. Let's go across the room. Bathroom. Another room. The truck got Wi-Fi. Oh, we got plenty of towels. Oh, yes. Okay. Closet. There's another side door. You come outside. Oh, hey, sis! Hey!
Oh,
Laundry room. Yeah, and we booked a house off of VRBO. I didn't book it, but my sister, bridesmaids, they hooked it up. This is the master bedroom, by the way. Big, nice big closet. And then I know we got all our luggage everywhere, but this is the bedroom. So I just can't wait, y'all. New Orleans is just so beautiful. And next week is Mardi Gras. So I'm, kind of like we, came like, it's going to be busy, but I mean like next week is going to be like really, really lit. So I'm excited about that. And New Orleans is a really nice place. Beautiful decor, nice shower, nice tub. And that completes it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to have fun, so I'll try to show you guys a little bit what we do on the channel and stuff. So, be ready. Be ready. Last time being, single woman out here, all this in the shoes. But anyways, all right, bye guys.